When you hear the word protein, you likely think of a chicken breast or a fish. That makes sense. Meat is one of the best sources of protein. But it's not the only source. In fact, it's entirely possible to get the protein you need each day without eating meat like poultry, beef, and fish. It's a huge misconception that plant based diets are low in protein. Veggies, fruits, grains, nuts, seeds, legumes, they all have protein. Today, we are going to share with you few important sources of protein for a plant-based diet. Number 1. Lentils and legumes. Lentils and other legumes such as beans, peas, nuts and seeds offer a full protein package. They are rich in fiber, vitamins, minerals and phytonutrients. They also contain antioxidant-rich polyphenols which have anti-obesity, anti-cancer, anti-inflammatory and anti-diabetes properties. Number 2. Tofu and soy products. Soy contains all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein. Soy is at the root of several types of foods, including soy milk, edamame, miso, soya beans and soy nuts, giving you plenty of ways to incorporate soy products into your diet. Tofu is very rich in protein and it should be high on your list of meat substitute. It also contains potassium and iron. Nuts. No matter which nut is your favorite, it likely is a good source of protein. Almonds offer the most protein per serving, with pistachios close behind in the number 2 spot. In addition to protein, nuts are good sources of heart healthy unsaturated fats, which can lower cholesterol levels. And thanks to the many options including almonds, pistachios, cashews, walnuts and hazelnuts, it's easy to add a variety to your diet. Sprinkle them on salads, in smoothies and on top of veggies. Number 4. Quinoa. Though it's technically a seed, quinoa is commonly referred to as a whole grain and can be used in place of other grains like rice and pasta. 1 cup of cooked quinoa offers 8 grams of protein and 5 grams of satiating fiber. Not to mention that quinoa is a complete protein because it contains all essential 9 amino acids. Enjoy quinoa throughout the day. In the morning with milk as a breakfast cereal, for lunch as a protein in your salad, and at dinner in place of pasta. Number 5. Peanut butter. Yes, the childhood staple is delicious and a good source of quality plant-based protein. 2 tablespoons has 7 grams of protein plus other key nutrients such as heart-healthy monounsaturated fat and some fiber. Just be sure to buy healthy variety and keep your portion size in check. It can quickly move from a healthy protein source to an indulgent treat that may contribute to weight gain if you overdo it.